Welcome to the Afro Curly Hair Getting Started online workshop. We're so glad you're here, and we can't wait to help you unlock the secrets to beautiful, healthy, and thriving natural hair. We understand the challenges and frustrations that come with managing Afro curly hair. But we also know the immense joy and pride that comes from embracing our unique tresses. That's why Gege is so passionate about sharing her knowledge and experience with you, whether you're a hair professional looking to expand your repertoire or a natural hair enthusiast seeking a deeper understanding of your own hair. In this comprehensive workshop, Gege will explore the unique characteristics of Afro curly hair types, debunk common myths, and reveal essential techniques that promote hair health and growth. Together, you'll learn the art of product selection, understand protective styling, and create personalized hair care regimens tailored to your specific hair type and goals. Our very own Gege, the Afro Curly Hair Coach, will be guiding you through this transformative journey. In this 4 hours online workshop, Gege will show you how to approach Afro curly hair with safety and care in mind. You will get practical demonstrations on models or training heads. You will also have the opportunity to ask questions in this group session. With years of experience working with Afro curly hair under various circumstances, Gege has gathered a wealth of knowledge and practical techniques that she's excited to share with you. We're confident that her expertise will empower you to approach natural hair care with confidence and skill. Our expertly designed course offers an engaging live online workshop. Course slides, pre-recorded video and PDFs for flexible learning, informative ebooks packed with tips and tricks, handy cheat sheets for quick reference, and interactive worksheets for practical application. Plus, you'll gain exclusive access to our supportive online community where you can connect with fellow natural hair enthusiasts and seek guidance from seasoned experts. Invest in your natural hair journey with our expert-led online workshop that delivers unparalleled insight and guidance. With Gege's extensive experience and practical approach, you'll gain the skills and confidence to start caring for Afro curly hair under different situations. Our comprehensive curriculum covers everything you need to know about Afro curly hair care, including Module 1, Introduction to Afro Curly Hair. Discover the unique characteristics of Afro curly hair, common challenges, and misconceptions. Learn why a personalized hair care routine is essential to maintain and enhance natural hair beauty. Module 2, Hair Care Fundamentals. Gain a strong foundation in hair care techniques, including understanding hair porosity, moisture balance, and effective shampooing and conditioning. Learn how to detangle hair gently and incorporate deep conditioning and hair treatments into your regimen. Module 3, Styling and Maintenance. Master protective styling, low manipulation styles, and essential tools for Afro curly hair. Learn how to maintain styles and implement nighttime care, along with tips for preventing damage and promoting hair growth. Module 4, Product Knowledge and Selection. Uncover the benefits of natural ingredients, decode product labels, and learn how to select the right products for specific hair types. Get inspired by DIY hair product recipes and make informed choices for your hair care journey. Module 5, Building a Personalized Hair Care Routine. Learn how to assess your hair's needs, set achievable hair goals, and develop a tailored hair care regimen. Track your progress, adjust your routine as needed, and stay motivated. Course Objectives, a comprehensive foundation in the proper maintenance of Afro curly hair types. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Join our Afro Curly Hair Getting Started online workshop today and transform your approach to natural hair care. Let's embrace the beauty of Afro curly hair together. Sign up now, get started on your Afro curly hair discovery journey.